Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give this Rubik's Cube a different color scheme. Okay, so I have this Rubik's Cube right here. It's a normal Rubik's Cube. And then I have this one to show which colors are supposed to be opposite from each other. So I know now that red and yellow have to be opposite from each other. So I'm going to have to move the red side over to here. And I'm going to do a time lapse while I do that, so get ready to see. And there we go. I gave it a good color scheme. Not quite as good as this one platted, but this one platted is not even possible because the colors, it would have to be a different color scheme, and you'd need two different sides of colors for the cube. But let's look at the ones that matches. Red and yellow match, and blue and white match. And that's about all. Okay, so now that I've made a different color scheme on the cube, as you can see, this color scheme is really weird. I'm gonna go ahead and solve it and see how long it takes, because this is really, really weird. So it's gonna be a little confusing. And I'm going to start making the white cross. I'm going to no! Where is the piece that goes there? Okay. Okay, that looks like the cross complete. Hey, red and green are the same. And green and yellow are totally different. Okay. I can do that. Put this one in. What do I have for oil? Okay. Let me just give you something to tell you. I'm no good with G-verbs. Okay. Okay, I solved this cube. It was just about under 40 seconds, but this was really confusing. I usually can solve a Rubik's Cube in like probably about, I don't know, 10 seconds. Yeah, this was really confusing. Like, let's do a checkerboard pattern on it. I already did this before, but this is, again, this is what it looks like checkerboarded. Here's a super flip pattern. Okay. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, I gotta do it from this side now. Oh, look, it's all hot colors on one side and then all cold colors on the other side. I like that. Except for yellow, but whatever. And now I will go ahead and make this pattern on this cube. Okay, and here we go. So I have like a bunch of yellow colors over here, and then blue, red, and greens over here. I made that on this cube. This is this pattern on these two cubes. Okay, and I will do one more solve on this cube, but I gotta scramble it up. I really like how that looks though. Look, it's like green and blue are checkerboarded. Okay. Alright, so again I need to make the white cross and F2L. And where does this go? Aha. Oh, see how confusing this is. I'm just like, where should I put this? I'm not used to a different color scheme. What is this? That works. That wasn't a usual. Is this an R-perm? No? This is a U-perm. Ah! Oh, that was so confusing. I was used to a normal color scheme. Yellow and green are normal. But this, yeah. Okay, red and blue are normal. And then orange and white are normal. But all the rest are just weird. Yeah, this is a really weird color scheme. That's why it was so confusing. Okay. Alright, so anyway, that is the end of this video. And I hope you enjoyed watching me make a new color scheme on this cube and trying to solve it that way. And I will see you in the next video.